What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's big pullback in the market, especially for the alts. What we're expecting for Gala games, we're seeing at 0.02657. We're down 5% on the day, seeing a market cap 741 million, 24-hour volume 100 million. So right after completing the wave 5 of our ending dyno, we didn't quite push right up to 0.02921, but we're close enough. And you can see we're seeing a massive dump. We had a nice bearish divergence on the 4-hour, and we're looking for that pullback. That's exactly what we're getting. So we're looking to pull back in a wave 2 in between 0.02230 and 0.02468, which will give us another long trade opportunity signal. We'll be given in the Discord. Currently, we're killing it in our V-chain short trade. Just moved our stop loss to break even, looking to come down to the zone, as well as we're in a Bitcoin short as well. So Bitcoin, little liquidity grab about the high leverage short traders, followed by potentially a drop down into our target zone. So we're currently shorting Bitcoin and VeChain, making some juicy profits, and we'll continue to let those trades run. So for Gala games, we are expecting in between 0.02230 and 0.02468. Pull back into that target zone. We did have the bullish cross of the EMAs, so we pull back to the EMAs. We break below them just a little bit to scare the bulls, and then we see continuation to the upside. That's what I think is the likely scenario, and that's what I'll be looking for our friend Gala Games, and that could offer another long trade opportunity. And I will give a signal in the Discord when I'm ready to enter. We're in multiple Gala trades. As of right now, swing trades, we locked in a short-term trade not too long ago. So if you want to trade with us, it's $10 a month for my signals. We're trading Forex, we're trading crypto, trade signals every single day. $10 a month, sign up through the Patreon. Make sure to sign up to BTCC, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Grab up to 10% commission on your trading fees, which means you get 10% back on your trading fees if you sign up through my link. My VIP rooms are $10 a month, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, Forex day trades, trade signals every single day, over 2,600 members in the Discord. We did quite well last week with our weekly results here, and we'll look to crush it again this week. Make sure to sign up to the Patreon, check out BTCC, smash up the like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.